What does that mean?
There's supposed to be fireworks. Can you hold it, Mom?
It's far away. We don't have a car, so this is as good as we can do.
If you want to see the fireworks closer, we have to go to the house. And
Mom, do you know the my honey cracker?
Yeah.
The white piece? So that's my piece.
That's the
firework.
it's going there.
Oh, if we could see it maybe by the basketball.
Yeah, I saw it for a second.
All right, like a little bit.
So it comes from here to here. Like it's telling everybody. Is it? They're talking to each other. It feels like they're talking to each other. Like
The trees are kind of in the way.
Huh?
The trees are kind of in the way. All right, I got that one.
Sure.
Now they're getting ready to do more, I guess.
They're gonna like do boom and boom
Yeah.
and boom. Like shoots a gun. Shoots her.
I can see it getting. Oh.
Yeah, I knew they're getting ready. You knew it. Ready there? No. Okay.
I'm scared.
It's okay.
Here, I could ask Jenny to turn on the. I think Nicholas is scared if we want to turn on the garage light, unless you think it'll ruin the show. But we caught a nice one. We'll show you on video.
Yeah,
Nice too.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
It's
You want
okay.
to go inside?
She doesn't like the dark. I don't think.
You like the door.
Yeah.
Because like stay like next to the door, because that's like.
Yeah, there's some light.
Okay, so you want to sit here? Oh.
Let me see over here.
Signals to let you know. Do one firework. Do one firework. Do it. Oh, it says do one firework. Oh.
You could see like a little bit, but the tree's in the way.
Yeah, that's what happened.
Yeah. So only the ones over here are really clear. Alright, I caught that in time.
Little fireworks. Those are like Disney ones.
Yeah.
They're so cool. Videos are not really cool. It's better to look at them. They're so cool. Where's Nicholas?
He didn't like the dark. He probably was the end
I
zone.
think he's coming back.
Okay.
Come on, do some more fireworks.
He needs a watchdog.
Scruffy needs to watch this. There's a camera in here, and Scruffy can see what we're seeing. So he's in here. He's in here. Oh, look, Scruffy, look, fireworks. Oh, look, Scruffy.
These were Disney.
Yeah, those are good.
I especially like Disney because
This is
We'll have
probably.
to show Eli this.
we have to show Eli the videos.
It's almost TikTok worthy.
We can show Patrick.
Yeah, we can. Yeah, because I got at least 3 good ones. I don't know how many.
Mom?
They're doing like little ones.
This
What if I yell and say,
is
do
how
more
to turn Slenderman and to make pencils. So what's Slenderman?
It's okay. He's worried about
Slenderman.
Slenderman and
Oh, he's not out
pencils and
here.
stuff. It's just dark.
It's not real. This is what?
Just let him
It's
talk
okay.
to
Yeah,
you.
he can ask his questions.
Mom,
Your sisters. Your sisters. So say sisters.
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 Oh, the show.
Sisters.
Yeah, they don't know that.
Yeah.
That's before their
We're
time.
almost the same height, I would say.
Yeah.
I'm a little taller. Just
Yeah.
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 We're close.
Tall. I'm tall.
He's tall.
Mhm.
Lainey's probably up to here.
Yeah, that's
Like
true.
teenagers go up to grown-ups.
Yeah, they.
Yeah,
Oh.
sometimes they
She
do.
just turned 13.
Yay!
Yeah.
So
Uh-oh.
No more fireworks! I don't know if they can hear me from here.
I don't know. They might be far.
Riley will be 16.
Yeah, that went fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Thank you! I hear neighbors. Thank you
Yeah. I don't know what they said. I do hear neighbors. I wonder if they're responding.
They are, I think.
Oh my god.
It's a dog.
Oh my god, it's like a wolf. That thing
dog
was
is right
humongous.
Oh.
Should I film it? Oh, they get afraid and spooked by fireworks. That's a known fact.
Oh
Where'd
my
he go?
God.
Show him Scruffy.
Scruffy.
No, it's like some random.
We could call
dog.
this Scruffy.
But do you think it bites? Or
I don't know where it
you want to go in there?
I don't
Are
know.
you still filming?
Yes, I caught the dog and everything. This could go on TikTok. Like,
Oh, yeah, that could go on TikTok. It's gonna go real viral.
Where's the dog?
I don't know.
I'm going
Oh,
inside.
he brought the dog out, and then this dog is raining.
Oh, yeah, sorry. I got scared and stepped on Jean.
I don't know where
I'm getting scared a little.
How
Alright,
like
just
dogs?
don't pet random dogs because we just don't know.
dogs turn alive?
Dogs don't understand fireworks, but
I don't know.
Just because of fireworks?
I think he's probably used to it because he's probably like
Fireworks on the
some.
sky?
It looks like a big husky.
Dogs?
I heard something rustling, and I was like,
Yeah, I thought it was. Oh my god, there it is! Doggy!
Scruffy!
Scruffy!
Scruffy the third!
It must be tiny.
It's spooked because of fireworks. That's how they
It's
get.
just running.
I know. Scruffy.
Scruffy's the third!
Yeah, it's like
Look,
a
it's a big
husky. It's
dog,
cute. It could be
yeah.
a wolf.
Now
I
we
mean,
get
Get
it's
it on
huge.
film.
Yeah,
I think I did.
yeah, that's,
But like I got to turn on my flash because I can't really see.
but it's gonna ruin the view.
Yeah, it'll ruin the view. All right. Scruffy. Oh wait, I almost missed it.
No,
Because of the whole other thing.
look there
Oh
more.
my god.
That was cool. I got scared and cool.
We're gonna have to watch this to figure out what.
Oh, there's like fireworks, dogs,
I can't believe
cats.
this dog just ran out.
Do you know where
This, like, I'm telling you, like, weird, chaotic stuff only happens to me, or like.
No dogs run through this. yard.
Okay.
No zebra loses their dog.
I think they
Like-
like.
what happened? I got scared because I was worried that
Come on, you can do more than that.
Scruffy. Call Scruffy.
Scruffy!
What do you think he dropped it?
What did you
Should
drop?
Still eat it?
Oh, where'd you? It depends where you dropped it, I
I
guess.
dropped this here.
Okay, John on the ground.
I mean,
Breaking
I
time.
guess it's fun. Oh, now it's not. It's happened twice now. Put it in that trash right there.
Oh!
Bezio, put it in the trash basket. Okay, he's afraid of Scruffy.
Yeah, that dog was big.
Sorry.
Like Nicholas is hiding.
Yeah, 'cause you're the man of the.
So to come with me, let's do that.
All right, he wants to go to the trash can.
Let's do that.
Just put it on the table. Put it on the table. I'll throw it out
Oh.
where it's lit. Yeah.
I kind of want to go inside because it's scary out
Yeah,
here.
we can just go in.
All right. Are we done? Let me pause the
There
film.
could be a finale.